For a lot of kids, fine arts is the motivation for them to come to school. Fine arts is the motivation for them to succeed in all of their classes and to get good grades so that they can perform and participate in all of the various activities that come along with it.
The program really is amazing. It has really changed and shaped my life in many ways.
Just having a support system, I know the team or the director is always there for me. And it's always nice to just have that feeling because they're always going to push you to be a better version of yourself.
For my first performance, I was very nervous, I was very anxious. I wasn't even sure if I wanted to do it. But all those people comforting me like, it's gonna be okay, you're gonna do amazing. Those are the people you're really gonna cherish in life. Now we're working on a play and I don't even worry because I'm like, this is what I wanna do. This is my life now.
Most kids that come through fine arts in Austin ISD typically leave with a good sense of self, with abilities to work as a team.
Being in the fine arts program has helped me understand how to communicate with people because we are always working together.
I've grown from not caring to having dedication to something and also wanting to be a leader and inspire others.
When I first started Drill Team, it was really nerve-wracking to me because you have to perform in front of a lot of people. I still get nervous, but as an officer, I have to remember to be confident in myself because I know the team looks up to me.
Performing, I think, is great for all kids to get up and do because they get to show off what they've worked on, what they've been preparing.
It gives you the drive to aspire to get better.
We perform halftimes during football games. We also go to contests and our spring show, which is at the end of the year, which just shows us how much we've grown from the beginning of the school year to the end.
When we went to our UIO competition for concert band, we got first divisions in almost everything. All our work and effort, every single day, staying after school, it all paid off.
We prepare the kids to be able to leave here and go into any university. Even those that don't pursue art end up leaving here going off to do some pretty great things.
If you're somebody that's thinking about going into the fine arts program, I highly encourage it because even if you don't do it when you're older, those experiences and life lessons, they will really change you.
You can play or sing or dance and discover new passions or abilities that you never really thought you had.
After high school, I can definitely see myself still doing theater. My dream really is to keep on going, no matter what happens, to be on every show possible. I'm just gonna keep on going and see where it takes me.